Okay, do you want to open it?
Uh-huh.
Do you want me to help?
No, I will hold.
Okay, you do it. Here, I can help you. What do you think's inside? What do you think it is? Who's it from?
Who is from? It's for Nene.
From Nene? Okay. Look at all that stuff.
Look at all these stuff.
Show everything to the camera and tell me what it all is.
It all says
What is that?
a hot necklace for me.
Okay, put it on. That's beautiful. Okay, what about the hat?
A hat.
Here, right here.
Oh, gee.
Why don't you put it on?
Ooh.
Oh, you look extra beautiful.
What's this? What's this?
You know what that is? What is that?
It's a purse.
It is a purse. Very nice.
Oh, what's this?
I don't know. What does it look like?
A ladybug.
A ladybug? Look what it is. You were asking me for one of those. It's an apron.
This is a apron.
No, those are pretty flowers that we can plant and we can put them in our garden.
Ooh, what's this? What's this?
That's a house for bugs. You catch the bugs. You can catch a butterfly and you put them in there and it's a house for them.
There is a bug. Butterfly house.
Yeah.
It's a house.
It is. Okay, keep looking.
Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this.
What is it?
A hot thing.
A heart thing? Is it a dress? I can't even see it. Let me see.
It's a dress.
It's a dress? Oh, it's very pretty.
Oh, what's this?
I'm not sure. Open it.
Okay.
Do you want me to open it?
Yeah. Open it.
I'm trying. Ouch. I can't open it. What are those? Here, stand back. What are those?
What are these? What are these?
What do you think they are? They're gardening stuff. Look, I opened it. What is this?
What is this?
That's a beautiful bracelet. Okay, put it on. And there's more in there. Look for more. Here. Ooh. What's on there? I think you got it upside down.
Look at the jacket.
That's a beautiful jacket.
And what is this?
That looks like a mask. Can you put it on?
Uh-huh.
Upside down. It's upside down, baby. There you go. Oh, you look like a big scary lion. Are you biting my foot, lion? You're a big scary lion.
This is a lion mask.
Yeah, I like it. Are you going to pretend to be a lion while you wear it?
Mm-hmm.
Don't eat me, lion. Don't bite me.
Hey, I like this mask.
You do?
Mhm.
Is the lion your favorite animal?
Mhm.
Okay, keep looking. I think there's more in there.
Huh? There's no there.
Oh, I'm sorry. Wow, what do you tell Nene?
Thank you, Nene.
Do you like which thing is your favorite thing?
This.
The lion mask? Oh, the garden tools? Nice hair.
Yes, garden tools are take garden.
Yeah. And you got an apron and some flowers and a butterfly house and a pretty dress and jacket.
I can open it.
Turn and look at the camera and say thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you, Nene.
Thank you, Nene.
Thank you, Grandpa Mark.
Thank you, Papa Mark.
I like your necklace. It looks extra beautiful.
Look at this necklace.
It's very beautiful.
It has a heart on it.
Yeah, it has lots of colors on it too.
Hello?
Nice hair. Okay, say thank you, Nene.
Thank you, Nene.
Say happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Say thank you, Grandpa Mark.
Thank you, Papa Mark.
Say I love you
I
guys.
love you guys.
Say I miss you guys.
I miss you guys.
Say goodbye.
Bye.